Hello friends, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How is everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm just here to do a quick announcement, so this is going to be a super quick video, but I'm announcing that I'm participating in a collab put on by Houck, and it is a Smash a Small Paper Pad 2020. And there is a bunch of nice ladies and that are participating, so I will have their links under this video. But this is going to be a really fun collab. So what it is Smash a Small Paper Pad. We're going to upload a video of what we've done with that paper pad every month on the 25th at 10 a.m. So everyone in this collab will be doing that at 10 a.m. So you can look for that. But just be sure you're subscribed to my channel and the other channel so that you'll get the notification. Hit the subscribe and hit the bell, then you'll get a notification. Or if you don't, sometimes I don't get a notification even if I am subscribed and hit the bell. So just look out for us on the 25th of each month, and we're going to have a fun thing to do with the paper pad. So it's a small paper pad, so basically it's anything under 12 by 12. So like I have all of these right now, and these are 6 by 6. These are some that I had picked up at Dollar Tree. These little ones here, they're 5 by 7. These are 6 by 6. Some of these I bought new, and some of them I got at thrift stores. If you watch my channel, I do a lot of thrifting, but super pretty, right? All different colors. There's this one. This is one that this one I think I won from Julia McNeil, I believe. That was really pretty. This is another one, and then these have really pretty colors. This is one-sided. Let's see, was this one-sided or two-sided? This is two-sided, so that's awesome, right? And then so you do different things usually sometimes with double-sided paper. Here's a one-sided one. This is cardstock. Some of them are paper, some of them are cardstock. These are super pretty colors here. Love those. And then I have these. So it's a paper pad, any paper pad smaller than 12 by 12. So like these are 8.5 by 11, these three. This one I got at Ollie's, and I've gotten this at Walmart before too, but I don't think Walmart carries this one anymore. But this is a really, I haven't even taken the plastic off of this one, but it was only, let's see, it was $1.99 at Ollie's. So here's an example of what's in here. I like a little bit of kind of glittery accents on here. And this is craft color, but all different. You can see how pretty that is. I can't wait to work with this one. I've had more than one of these because I got such a great deal on them. I have used them, and they make beautiful like covers or the inside of your cover with this little glittery bit on there. So just that one I have all ready to use, sitting around. I need to use these things. This is another beautiful one. I think I got this one on clearance at Walmart. Signature paper, color block. You can see how pretty the cover is here. All these colors. Let's see, is this one side? This is two-sided. This is very beautiful. Look at this. Wouldn't this be nice to work with? So I had this one for quite a while. Haven't done anything with it. Just, it was on clearance, so I got it. I thought it was pretty, but it's just sitting, so I need to do something with that. This is another one, the same type of paper, I believe. Color block, signature, but these have a different design. See, I think this one, these were like $5, as you can see here. I'm trying to think if this was Ollie's or, yeah, I guess that's a Walmart sticker there. Yeah, that says Walmart too. Okay, yeah, I got this at Walmart too. Another double-sided, very pretty, bright, vibrant colors, right? This would be a beautiful, look at the daisies, the roses, the daisies, and then they, have the color, some kind of solid color on the back, it looks like. Flowers on one side, a solid color. Look how pretty, butterflies. Yes, I definitely need to work with this one. So, yep, that's what we're doing. Can't wait to get started. So that video, like I said, every month during the whole year of 2020 on the 25th. So that's 12 projects we have looked forward to doing, and you can look forward to viewing, and you can get your paper pad out and use it along with us. So like I said, the links will be below, and I will see you on the 25th. Thanks for joining me, and happy crafting, everyone.